Okay, continuing on. This module focuses on an understanding of what is critical thinking and what is critical reading. We use the terms interchangeably. I work to teach you how to become a critical thinker because oftentimes that automatically leads right into critical reading as well. So you will hear both terms and you'll have activities that focus a lot on helping you think on a deeper level, and then activities that will help you read on a deeper level as well. They all go hand in hand and they're fantastic skills to have in your college career going forward, but they're also fantastic skills for life in general. So I do try and include a lot of real world examples and even real world activities so that these skills can be used every day, not just in a college classroom. So that is the focus for this week. This is a medium-sized module. It contains 2 full-sized lectures along with a few activities and a discussion board and a quiz. So you do not want to wait till the last minute. You want to do a little bit each day, and this will make sure you're submitting your best work. Also, you have to have the textbook for this course, but you're going to need the textbook for this module. Please do not wait until the last minute to get the textbook, otherwise you're going to fall behind. So get over to our bookstore. We have our textbook there for rent, which is cheaper than paying full price for this. If you prefer to have your textbooks online or even in audio format, Amazon does have both of those available. So I think that's probably the biggest thing for this week is give yourself time to complete all of the activities to your very best ability and make sure you have the textbook. Also, our textbook is our guide going forward. Since this class is fully online, I promise you it is not just use the textbook once and put it down like has maybe been your experience in other classes. We're going to use our textbook every single week this semester, so keep that in mind as well. Other than that, enjoy this module and contact me if you have any questions going forward. Have a really good week, and I will see you again next week when we begin Module 3 after this week is done. Okay, have a good one. Bye-bye.